applause. And now our school annual report is going to be presented on the screen.
Birthday song. Doing physical exercises and respecting the nation with national anthem are part of the school assembly.
Academic growth. The new academic session began on 2nd April 2024. We strictly follow the syllabus prescribed by the CBSE. Teachers take key interest in the character formation and the learning process of the students. Besides the curriculum, our children are encouraged with extracurricular activities too. We teach them moral science and make them rooted in the value system. Faith formation is given to the Christian students through catechism classes. Students do not limit themselves with the classroom learning. They have science and computer learning in the respective labs. They not only use the library of the school for reading, but also make use of it thoroughly for learning all the subjects, as we have introduced SMART classes this year. Children enjoy PT and the dance periods. We have managing committee, grievance redressal committee, staff selection committees, etc. For the good functioning of the school, leadership is encouraged among the students. We have teacher coordinators and student leaders. We also have the cabinet members along with teachers in charge for the best coordination. Duties are assigned to each of them and they do their responsibilities well. In spite of all the hurdles came, our teachers and students worked hard to make use of the technology, building school through extra classes. Our parents sacrificed themselves, providing their own busy time. To the children and David
Kumar 10A, Paradi 10C, Vivek Kumar 10C, Aditya Kumari 9B, Anshuman Singh Rajput 8B, and Shavani Kumari 8C. has participated in the inter-school quiz competition held at Pushpa High School, Piro. Among the 8 schools, we secured the first position and were awarded with medals and certificates. We have participated in the speech competition held at Catholic High School, Ara, on the occasion of Hindi Divas. Among 12 schools we have secured 3rd position.
Arts and crafts. We had several inter-house competition of Rangoli making notice board decoration. The junior classes vigorously took part in the class-wise fancy dress competitions along with the help of the teachers. Drawing competitions were held especially for the junior classes to express themselves through art and develop their aesthetic sense. Our students are encouraged to improve their handwriting and develop the writing skills by organizing class-wise English and Hindi. Handwriting competitions, debate competition was organized house-wise. Several competitions were organized to boost up the hidden talents of the students. The students take active participation in decorating the class notice boards on special occasions and develop their sense of art.
Seminars and orientation programs. On 1st of April, an orientation program was arranged for the teaching staffs in presence of the school secretary and principal. Special instructions were given to the teachers about smooth running of the new academic session. Duties were distributed for the new academic session. Time-to-time seminars, in-house training programs, and online trainings are given to the teachers to equip themselves with teaching skills and new methods of teaching the new generation. They are encouraged to handle every child with love and ensure the holistic growth of the children. Staff meetings are held for both teaching staff and the supporting staff by the management on regular basis to ensure the teamwork and to be authentic collaborators in forming the young ones. The supporting staff of our school plays a major role in keeping the school clean and green and teach us the dignity of labor by their hard work and availability. Our nurse, Sister Candida, availed themselves to take care of the health of the Xaverian family. We appreciate their selfless service. On 20th November, the school management organized a meeting for the parents of class 10 students with their teachers to ensure the support and guidance to the children as they are approaching the board exams.
Inspection, BEO, along with his team, inspected our school and appreciated the management for imparting quality education in this area. Our school availed for the BPSC exam and rendered its service as the exam center. The education director, Father Binoy, visited our school to help us with a better administration, teaching.
Celebrations. Celebrations are part of our life and we really enjoy it in our school. On 26th January, the Republic Day was celebrated. Father Anand hoisted the national flag. We celebrated the Independence Day of our nation on 15th of August with enthusiasm and patriotic spirit. Father Lordu hoisted the national flag and our students did the march past rhythmically. A cultural program was organized on that day. The school highlights the importance of special days such as Veer Kumbhar Vijayotsav in April and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. The Labour's Day, which is on 1st May, was celebrated in the school campus. Our school secretary, Father Lordu, appreciated the work of our workers. Teachers' Day was celebrated in the school campus. Students of class 10 made arrangements for the day. On the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi making competition was organized. On the occasion of Diwali and Chhat Puja, Rangoli making competition and notice board decoration was organized.
Goodbye. On 5th of May, a special prayer meeting was organized as its death anniversary of our beloved Father Francis Mattathilani, the former secretary of our school. He was a visionary missionary who dedicated his entire life for the society and worked hard for the growth of our school. A great loss we met on 13th March 2023 is when we heard the news that our beloved Uttam Sir left this world. It was a real loss that he was a lively person full of enthusiasm and spirit. This loss cannot be filled as on today in this program also we are missing him a lot. If he was here, he must be leading us today as the main member of this celebration. As we remember them today, we pray that their souls may rest in peace and bless all of us from heaven.
Tour and picnic. A tour to Sasaram and nearby places was organized for the staff in the month September. It was a beautiful experience of being together. A joyful learning takes place within and outside the classrooms. On the LKG and UKG children had a wonderful picnic to the Eco Park at Jagdishpur and enjoyed thoroughly playing in the park. Girls of class 9 were taken to an educational tour to Kolkata and boys went for a trip to Darjeeling.
Facilities provided. Action speaks louder than the words. And you see beyond you here. We have well-furnished and equipped strong building and a beautiful well-used playground with greenery for a healthy learning. Every classroom and the campus is under the CCTV surveillance. Raw water drinking facilities provided along with hand pump water. Protection is ensured with fire extinguishers. School Canvas app is helping the parents in digital payment and getting various information about their wards. Our school has got a unit of NCC Junior Wing this year and from this year onwards we are officially giving training to 50 cadets.
Conclusion. As we celebrate the annual day Dharohar, our heritage, our pride, we entrust our school in the care of our patron, Saint Xavier, and place the entire school in the loving hands of God, seeking his blessings upon each one of us that we may become a channel of peace. Sister Dainya Arakkal, CFMSS.
Good morning. I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Good morning, Baba. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, Beta. You are looking so excited today.
Yes, Baba. I cleared my NEET exam today. Very good, beta.
Well done, Beta. We are so proud of you.
Then what's your future plan now? Mummy, Papa, I want to take admission in MBBS.
Very good, Beta. Your decision is very nice. I'm with you.
MBBS MBS? What is this everything? Mummy, it is a degree. After doing it, you become a doctor. Wow, my daughter will be a doctor. Papa, you please go to the St. Stephen College. It is a government medical college. I want to take admission in that.
Okay, beta. I will go there tomorrow. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, Papa.
You are my daughter, beta. It's my duty.
So sweet of you, Papa.
I will go there tomorrow. Don't worry, beta. Wow! What a beautiful building! Mind blowing! Amazing! Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Arun and I have come to my daughter's admission in this college. So may I meet Mr. Esteban, sir? Okay, ma'am. Shall I visit the college? Okay, ma'am. Wow! What a beautiful building! My daughter will surely achieve her dream here. Science lab! Very nice! Really, such a beautiful building. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am Arun and I have come here to my daughter's admission in this college and she also scored good marks in a NEET exam.
Very good, sir. But look, there is no vacancy in our college.
Sir, but my daughter is brilliant and after getting more than sufficient marks, how can you deny?
Look, Mr. Alok, there is no vacancy in our college. But we have two reasons seats that are reserved for daughters or ministers. And if you want to take admission, then you can give donation to our college. And then we will think about your matter.
Why donation, sir? It's a right and my daughter has scored sufficient marks and fulfill all that criteria. And after that, you are asking for donation. You are doing very wrong, Mr. Esteban, sir. You are doing very wrong.
Now you teach me how to do my job.
How much donation are you asking? Tell me.
Huh? It's beyond imagination for people like you. 25 lakhs.
What? 25 lakhs? It's not a donation. It's a bribe. And you are doing very wrong. I will complain for this.
Get out from here. I don't want to see people like you in my office.
I will complain against you.
To hell with your complaint. Just get out from here.
I will see you. I will see you. I'll see you.
ऐजा 2 लाइट चाहते ऊपर 3 लाइट चाहते ऊपर बाना तर लाइट
Papa, what happened? Did I get admission to the college?
No, my dear. They are asking for donation of 25 lakhs. How can I give that?
So what, Papa? You should give it to them. Today you don't get admission anywhere without donation. Our whole system is corrupt. You should give.
But beta, why should I give? You deserve a seat.
No, Papa. I know that we don't have so much amount. We are not that rich people. But please, Papa, I don't know how you manage.
Okay, beta. I'll go to police station to complain.
Don't worry, beta. Your father will risk everything. Just do what I want. I just need admission in the college.
Yes, Sindhu.
Yes, sir.
How many cases for today?
2 cases, sir.
Only 2 cases?
Yes, sir. Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Sir,
Have a seat.
Sir, I am alone.
I am not interested in your name. What's wrong with you?
Sir, I came here to complain against Mr. S.K. Bansal.
What are you saying, S.K. Bansal, the famous college principal?
Yes, you heard it right. S.K. Bansal.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, sir.
He has gone mad.
पागल है क्या? How are you talking, officer? You are a policeman. Behave like that. You are a public servant.
Yes, indeed. He is talking about behavior.
Sir, can I put him behind the bars?
No, chill, Sinde. Yes, man. What's matter with you?
Sir, look, sir. I want admission for my daughter in St. Stephen Medical College, but they are asking for donation of 25 lakhs. Actually, it's not a donation, it's a bribe.
So what? It's common now. You just give donation, take admission for your daughter. Simple. Do you know? Who is he? He is one of the richest person of our state.
What are you talking of, sir? My daughter has already scored sufficient marks to secure a seat in medical college. Now you tell me, how can I keep bribe?
That's your problem. Why you are wasting my time?
It's your duty, officer. I came here for seeking help from you. Take action against the principal, and you are doing nothing.
Now you teach the police officer what to do and what not.
But officer,
Go in there, take. Not
Sorry, sir.
Take this pass, take this.
Get out from here. I'll see you. I'll see you.
What happened, Papa? You seem so frustrated. What happened in the police station? Papa, are you listening to me?
My dear, the police officer also supports the rich. They deny my complaint.
So what, Papa? If you had given a donation, then I could get admission so easily. But you stole my dream. I told you that this is my dream to be a doctor.
But beta, I don't have much money to give that third person.
So what, Papa? Arrange the money.
But beta,
No, Papa. You did very wrong with me today. I always believed you like a superhero. But you are not my superhero anymore. You are not my superhero, Papa. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me.
but beta, what should I do?
Just do whatever you want. It's for my career. It's for my dream. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me. It's for my career. It's for my dream. You hurt me today, Papa. You hurt me.
No, please stop, stop. Who am I? I am nothing. If I am not able to fulfill my daughter's dream, and our system is totally corrupt now. Today, I got defeat in the hands of this corrupt system, and I don't have any choice. And what about my daughter? She is so annoying, and I'm not a superhero anymore. So what do I need now? I have no right to live. Oh God, please take care of my family and open your arms. I'm coming to you. And please do something so that no other father will be as helpless as me. This is the last choice that I have. Oh God, please do something so that no other father will be as helpless as me.
Papa, 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 what have you done? You are my inspiration. You are my ideal. Please open your eyes, Papa. How we live without you, Papa? It's totally my fault, Papa. Please open you. Come back. Oh God, we are ruined now. As you have seen that, due to some greedy person, the real talent of our country is being lost in the world of corruption. So let's promise and take a vow to remove corruption from our country. Thank you.
मुन्ना कुमार ग्राम निर्मल।
Please give a big round of applause for them. The state has truly reflected on how the corruption has demonized our society. I, Aparna Kumari,
और मैं प्रत्युष कुमार आप सभी का
हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं. Now we are about to witness fusion dance phase 2 performance by classes 4 to 7 students. A spectacle like no other, a harmonious and a blend of cultures, styles and souls.
अब हम लेकर आए हैं धरोहर कार्यक्रम की दूसरी कड़ी, जिसे वर्ग 4 से 7 तक के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा, जिसमें आप भारत की विविध सांस्कृतिक नृत्यों की झलक देखेंगे। अपनी संस्कृति पर हमको खूब अभिमान है। आज विश्व कर रहा अनुसरण, हमारी परंपरा, हमारी संस्कृति महान है। जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर देखना फिजूल है कद आसमान का, फिर देखना फिजूल है कद आसमान का।
Thank you.
வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் விடை உண்டவாயனில் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே கொண்டல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் விடை உண்டவாயனில் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே அண்ட கொணடி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை அண்ட கொணடி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை கண்ட கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर। बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर। चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर। हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर। बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर।
सिर्फ कह जाओ या आसमां पे लिख दूं तेरी तारीफों में चश्म बदलूं।
के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर। चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर। நனை கோவலனாய் வெண்ணை உண்டவாயனில் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே அண்ட குணடி அரங்கன் என்ன முதிரை கண்ட கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே
ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মোর মন হারিয়ে যায় অন্যের তোর ভাবনা ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় রে ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় ও মোর মন হারিয়ে যায় অন্যের তোর ভাবনা ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় রে ঝিলমিলিয়ে যায় কোন চেনা দেশের তরে তোর সাথে এইতে পারতাম মোর মনের প্রজাপতি নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মরে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় প্রেম রাঙা মোর কবিতা সুরের অন্তরে ঝিরঝিরি ঝর্ণা ধারায় নতুন রং ঝরে প্রেম রাঙা মোর কবিতা সুরের অন্তরে ঝিরঝিরি ঝর্ণা ধারায় নতুন রং ঝরে সবুজে সবুজে হৃদয় কেমন করে সবুজে হৃদয় কেমন করে ও মোর দিন উড়িয়া যায় রে দিন উড়িয়া যায় অন্যের তোর ভাবনা গুনগুনিয়ে যায় রে গুনগুনিয়ে যায় ও মোর দিন উড়িয়া যায় রে দিন উড়িয়া যায় অন্যের তোর ভাবনা গুনগুনিয়ে যায় রে গুনগুনিয়ে যায় তোর স্বপ্নের ভ্রমরি মোর প্রেমের প্রহরী তোর স্বপ্নের ভ্রমরি মোর প্রেমের প্রহরী হৃদয়ের বাগিচায় নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় കതിർ 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്തു കൂട്ടിവായോ കതിർ 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്തു കൂട്ടിവായോ പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൻ പാടത്ത് വായോ കതിർ 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്തു കൂട്ടിവായോ
താലി തന്താ തന്താനി താലി തന്താ തന്താന താലി തന്താ തന്താനി താലി തന്താ തന്താന
ഇല്ലം നിറ വല്ലം നിറ വട്ടികൊണ്ട കുട്ടകൊണ്ട ഇല്ലം നിറ വല്ലം നിറ വട്ടികൊണ്ട കുട്ടകൊണ്ട അല്ലിമലർ പെണ്ണാളെ ഇല്ലം നിറയ്ക്ക് വേല ചെയ്ത് വേർപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് പാടം നനയ്ക്ക് അങ്ങനെ വളര് 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 പുത്തഞ്ഞാറേ കുളിര് 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 പോരണ പാടം പെണ്ണാളെ താമര കണ്ണാളെ വന്നാട്ടെ പൊന്നാരിൽ പാടത്ത് വായോ കതിര് 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 കൊണ്ടുവായോ കറ്റ കെട്ടി കൊയ്ത് കൂട്ടിവായോ
ഹൈ 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 ഹൈ
Mr. Sanjit Kumar, STM Jagdishpur, Mr. Rajiv Chandra Singh, DSP Jagdishpur, Sister Dania, the Principal, Father Binoy, Education Director, Father Lulu, dear fathers, sisters, and my dear students and teachers, very few sentences because I know it's getting cold. First, सबसे पहले मैं हमें समरी यहाँ के सभी बच्चों के लिए धन्यवाद के रूप में दो शब्द मैं अंग्रेज में कहूँगा, फिर हिंदी में दो दिन बाद आपके सामने रहकर मैं कथन करूँगा. Dear friends, dear students, the program was excellent. I've been starting from the beginning till the end. You have taken us for an entire tour of India. I deeply appreciate and congratulate each one of you, beginning with KG till to come, the students who are doing the ushering, the NCC team, everybody. It took a lot of time for the teachers to work hard. I thank them. And your program is of high quality. So credit goes to the management and the teachers and the students and the parents. और आप सबों के लिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहूँगा. आप जानते हैं इस साल का हम लोगों का जो टॉपिक है धरोहर. हमारे बच्चे हमारे धरोहर हैं, हमारे अमानत हैं. आपने उनको देखा है यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत करते हुए, वो नृत्य हो या नाटक हो या गीत हो, हर कोई में एक अनोखापन है और उनमें क्षमता है. उसे पहचानना स्कूल का काम है, माता पिता का काम है. और यहाँ पर रहते हुए वही सीखते हैं. एक साथ रहने के लिए, एक साथ हमारी जो अमानत जो है उसको बचा कर रखने के लिए हमारा कर्तव्य बन रहा है। विशेष रूप से शहीद वीर कुंवर सिंह की जो धरती है जगदीशपुर, उसे हम ये याद करते हैं। उनमें जो क्षमता थी हमारे हर एक बच्चों में है, उनको हम समझे और उनको आगे बढ़ाए। और अपने माता पिता आपने हम पर भरोसा रखे हैं, हमारे स्कूल पर। हम आपको धैर्य के साथ, भरोसे के साथ कह सकते हैं आपके बच्चे हमारे यहाँ अच्छे सीखकर निकलेंगे यहाँ से, और आपने जो भरोसा हम पर रखे उसके लिए धन्यवाद देते हैं। बहुत कुछ कर सकते, लेकिन एक ही बात स्वर्गीय महामहिम अब्दुल कलाम जी ने कहा, एक जो समाज जो है, एक देश जो है, इसे विकसित होना है, आगे बढ़ना है, उसके लिए 3 जन की जरूरत है। एक माता, दूसरा पिता और तीसरा शिक्षक। आप तीनों हमारे समाज जो है इसको आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। हम इस स्कूल में ये कोशिश रहेगी, आप देख रहे होंगे नया बिल्डिंग आ रहा है और बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट आने वाले हैं, और आगे निकालेंगे। हमारे बच्चों में जो क्षमता है उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए और उनको एक संपूर्ण विकसित उनको बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। आपका भरोसा के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। फिर एक बार Sister Principal, thank you very much. The program was of high quality. I thank all the teachers. I know it takes a lot of strength to prepare the teachers, prepare the students from LKG onwards. The drama was really good, so appreciated for that as well. And a special mention to the anchoring team. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep it up. Thank you very much. May God bless all of us. Let's stand together, work together. एक साथ सीखेंगे, एक साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु।
Thank you, Bishop Swamiji. I would like to request to please stay back as we have some awards to give. So last year we have 12 students who all have 100% attendance. 100% attendance means whole working day they were present in our school. So we have planned to award them. So I would like to request please hand over the awards. So first Arpita Mahodaya from class 1C award. Then Tanishtha from 4th B. Please, Arpita, come forward. Followed by Vishal Kumar. Next we have Vishal and Mohit Kumar. All 4 of them have secured the 100% attendance for last academic year. Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, Swamiji. Yes, now their message will be there. Thank you. Now, I would like to request our STPO sir and STM sir, please award the next students, that is Banti Kumar from 5th C, Aditya Raj Oja from 6th B, Priyesh Singh 6th B, Tripti Kumari from 6th A. Thank you, STM sir. Now I would like to request SDPO sir to please give award to the next 4 students, that is Sonam Kumari from 7th B, Avinash Kumar from 8th B, Khushbu Yadav from 8th C, and Tanishq from 9th B. All 12 of the 12 students of our school has secured 100% attendance last academic year. This academic year, I hope this number will increase. And thank you once again, Swamiji, Father, SDM sir and SDPO sir. Now, I would like to request our SDPO sir, Sri Rajiv Chand Singh ji, to address us with his inspiring words. Sir, please. Sir, please. Okay. Sir is having some very urgent work, so I'd like to request our SDM sir to please inspire us with his words. पोडियम। आप सबको बता दूं, एसडीएम सर हमारे पेरेंट भी हैं, इनकी बच्ची भी हमारे यहाँ पढ़ती है। हालांकि वो इस प्रोग्राम में भाग नहीं ले पाई, लेकिन अगली बार हम उम्मीद करते हैं आपकी बच्ची यहाँ जरूर होगी सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Not to speak of young, our children are even second to none. So now, our students are going to perform a wonderful Qawwali before you all. Audience, please welcome our students by putting your hands together. तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे ऐ नबी तू बुलाता है। तेरे दर पे सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी है नबी चाहे तू बनाता
Thank you so much, children, for presenting a wonderful Qawwali. And now, as we know that mobile is one of the greatest invention of human history, it became part and parcel of human life. Mobile is inseparable from our life. In addition to mobile, we have lost our relation and human life. So, now my friends are coming forward to show